What if the AI video tool you're using right now is already 2 full generations behind? Because while most creators are still typing prompts and praying the output doesn't look melty and uncanny, a small group of serious filmmakers, ad studios, and storytellers have quietly moved to something completely different. Something that doesn't just generate video, it thinks like a creative partner. I'm talking about InVideo's 2 flagship AI agents, Agent 1, released in version 4, and Agent 2, the brand new frontier creative intelligence that just launched in version 4.5. And here's what nobody's explaining clearly. These 2 agents are not the same thing. Agent 1 is the agent you build and direct. Agent 2 is the intelligence you don't have to babysit. Understanding that difference is the line between fighting your AI and directing it like a full film crew that never sleeps, never forgets your vision, and never needs hand-holding. Stick with me to the end, because the third secret, plus a real case study and a live walkthrough, is what actually separates hobbyists from paid professionals. Let me be clear about who this is for. Filmmakers who want cinematic control, ad creators and agencies who need to ship high-quality video at volume without blowing the budget, studios building original IP, and solo storytellers tired of doing everything manually and tired of babysitting tools that forget your style the second you start a new scene. If you've ever thought, "I love the vision part, I just hate the grunt work," this was built for you. The whole promise of V4 and V4.5 is simple. Do what you love and let the AI agents handle the rest. Here's exactly what I'm revealing in 3 secrets. Secret 1. What Agent 1 V4 really is, and why an agent you build and direct solves the consistency nightmare. Secret 2. What Agent 2 V.5 brings. The frontier intelligence that finally lets you stop babysitting your AI. Secret 3. How the 2 work together in InVideo's full pipeline to give you a studio-grade production line, plus how creators turn that into paid work. Then I'll show you a real case study and a live walkthrough inside the platform. Let's go. Secret number 1. Agent 1 is not a text-to-video toy. It's a fully customizable AI video agent you build and direct around your vision. With most tools, every generation is a coin flip. Different lighting, different faces, a character who looks like a stranger from one shot to the next. Chaos. Agent 1 kills that. You define your style, your look, your characters, and your story context once, and it applies all of it consistently across every generation. For a pro, that consistency is the product. Photoreal output, a consistent visual language, and a recognizable style carried across your entire body of work. Under the hood, 200+ models, native 4K, a realism toolkit, and voice and lip sync, so characters don't just look real, they perform. And it's not hype. InVideo's agent ranked 1 on Physianarc, an independent AI video benchmark. That's third-party proof, not a marketing claim. Now here's where V4.5 takes it somewhere new. Secret number 2, the big one, Agent 2. InVideo calls it frontier intelligence for creative work, and the tagline says it all: don't waste time on AI you have to babysit. Where Agent 1 gives you a consistent, directable agent, Agent 2 adds a layer of intelligence. It understands your full project context, script, treatment, tone, and makes creative decisions the way a smart collaborator would, instead of waiting for you to hand-hold every step. Say you're building an action thriller, tense espionage, mature tone, a specific mood. Describe that once, and Agent 2 carries the intent through the entire build. It storyboards, it writes, it edits across multiple shots. And when you say, push the train's arrival 2 seconds later, or keep that warm reunion lighting, it understands the why and adjusts intelligently. That's the leap from V4 to V4.5. Agent 1 made your AI consistent. Agent 2 makes it smart enough to trust. You go from operator to director. Secret number 3. It's not two agents in isolation. It's the pipeline they plug into. Inside InVideo, you've got storyboarding that turns an idea into a shot-by-shot plan, an AI script co-writer built right in, a timeline editor that's basically Premiere with full AI baked in. And you can build your own custom agents, a cinematographer, a sound designer, a colorist, a music designer, each handling a role, all working from the same vision. That's a full studio, staffed by AI, running on your direction. Financially, that unlocks client campaigns, original IP and film series, volume video services for agencies, and content channels running at a pace no human team could match. No camera, no crew, no render farm screaming in the corner. The realism gets you noticed. The intelligence gets it done. The pipeline gets you paid. Let me make this concrete with real-world scenarios, because features only matter when they translate into results. Case Study 1. The solo ad creator. Picture a freelancer who used to spend a full week shooting and editing a single product ad, with Agent 1 locking the brand's look and Agent 2 handling the multi-shot edits. That same freelancer now turns a client brief into a polished 30-second spot in an afternoon, then bills for volume instead of one-offs. Same skill, 10 times the output. Case Study 2. The original IP studio. A two-person team building a serialized microdrama defines their characters and world once. Every episode stays visually consistent because Agent 1 remembers the cast, and Agent 2 keeps tone and pacing coherent across shots. They ship episodes weekly, something that used to require a full crew and a render budget. Case Study 3. The agency scaling accounts. An agency that could only handle a handful of video clients now services many, because each account becomes a set of custom agents trained on that brand's style. They compete on speed and quality, the two things clients never used to get together. The pattern is the same every time. Consistency plus intelligence plus pipeline equals margin. That's the business case. Now let's actually get inside the platform so you can see this isn't theory. Step 1. Set up Agent 1. Notice how once I lock the look here, every generation inherits it automatically. Step 2. Hand off to Agent 2. Watch, I'm not prompting each shot. I'm describing the outcome and it's making the creative calls. Step 3. Multi-shot editing. One instruction, multiple clips updated, no rebriefing, no babysitting. Step 4. Finish in the timeline. This is where you take final manual control if you want it. That's the whole loop, vision in, cinematic video out. So let me ask you something. Would you rather keep grinding manually, spending money, wrangling crews, babysitting clunky AI, burning hours you'll never get back? Or have a tool that does it all for you, at cinematic quality, on your direction? If you pick the professional's option, let me show you exactly how to get it. I want to properly introduce you to InVideo AI, versions 4 and 4.5, giving you both Agent 1 and the brand new Agent 2 in one platform. It's built to produce hyper-realistic, cinematic, fully directed video. No camera, no crew, no babysitting. Starting today, you bring the vision. The agents handle the rest. Here's everything you unlock. Agent 1, your custom, directable AI video agent. Value, $3,000 pluses. Agent 2, frontier creative intelligence that remembers your whole project and edits across shots. Value, $4,000 plus. 200 plus AI models for image, video, voice, and music. Value, $1,500 plus. Native 4K, output plus realism toolkit. Value, $1,000 plus. Voice and lip sync so characters perform. Value, $800 plus. AI storyboarding plus AI script co-writer. Value, $700 plus. Full AI timeline editor. Premiere grade control. Value, $1,000 plus. Build your own custom agents. Cinematographer, sound, color, music. Value, $1,500 plus. Extended plus priority generation so you never wait in line, included. Add it all up, and you're looking at a stack worth well over $10,000 if you pieced it together. A production studio, a render pipeline, a writing room, and a creative team. But your investment to unlock all of it isn't anywhere near that. You can get started with InVideo AI, Agent 1 and Agent 2 included, from just $170 a month. One professional project pays for that many times over. Click the link below. Unlock InVideo v4.0 and v4.5 and start building your cinematic pipeline today. And if it's not for you, for any reason, cancel anytime. No lock-in. Worst case, you cancel. Best case, you build a body of cinematic work and a real income stream that was impossible to produce any other way. That's a risk-free bet on your craft. Quick answers to the questions I get most. Do I need editing experience? No. Agent 2 does the heavy lifting. The timeline's there if you want manual control. Can I keep a consistent character across a whole project? Yes, that's exactly what Agent 1 is for. What's the real difference between V4 and V4.5? Agent 1, V4, gives you a consistent, directable agent. Agent 2 V4.5 adds the intelligence to understand and execute your whole vision. The AI you don't have to babysit. Can I use this for client and commercial work? Yes. Campaigns, ads, and original IP are core use cases. Let's be logical for a second. Worth it if it landed one paid client project? Yes. Worth it if it saved a single week of grunt work? Absolutely. And will it let you produce cinematic, photoreal video with agents that remember your vision? Yes. That's a risk-free bet on yourself. So, stop babysitting AI you have to fight. Bring your vision. Let Agent 1 and Agent 2 handle the rest, and start creating at a level that used to require a full studio. Click the link below. Unlock InVideo V4 and V4.5, and let's build your cinematic pipeline today. I'll see you on the inside.